Hello and welcome to another update video about NEAR. NEAR has now reached the ideal target for the third wave, or let's call it the first ideal target for this third wave. The wave count was discussed in the last video specifically, and I gave you a micro support level against which we said we can focus on higher, and ideally we would reach at least 323, better 348 or even 393. We've now reached that next target, my next target at 348. So let's see if it wants to continue to stretch higher towards 393 next. That is of course possible. At the moment, there is absolutely no sign of any pullback. So my support level has been adjusted to $2.69 or actually $2.70. So as long as that level is holding, this wave count specifically can play out and can extend easily. I think this third wave here would look best with one more higher low and another higher high. This is obviously here on the 1 hour time frame. We can zoom in to take a look at more detailed structure as well, but be aware that the microstructure is very messy. So I mainly use the fib levels here, which can guide our wave. We understand this bit here is likely impulsive, and it could be an ABC in some kind of a messy, huge diagonal. Yeah, it's a bit of an ugly count. I might even need to switch this around a little bit, but that doesn't matter at all. Because we know that in the third wave, the 1.38 extension is ideally the target. I have no reason to change my count until we have to adjust, until sort of something is, let's say, broken or anything. And nothing is broken at this stage. So the count works and has led us to that ideal target. Just want to make you aware that the next levels to watch are here the main fib level. Whoops, let me go to the 4 hour chart. Here at 364. And then we've got the 393 level next. And let's see if there, at some point, we will start with that fourth wave pullback. And then we should still get another fifth of a third and so on. I'm not confident about this micro count. I have to say that as well. So that means, if I'm not confident about the count, it means the target is, we're getting there. But it means that adjustment on the micro level may need to be necessary. But for now, they are not. And if you're looking for even is there even another support level that's even more micro than the one I already give you? Probably not. I mean, you can always use the fibs on that last bit here, looking for the 50% retracement level, and that's at $3.11. So, but if that level breaks, we're already in the next support level anyway, in the next support zone. So it doesn't really help, does it? So I just want to make you aware of the next targets, really, but there's no sign of stopping here. Let's zoom out a little bit. NEAR has performed really well since it broke out of this trend line. And if I give you the fib levels that AVAX is already looking at right now, then looking at the AVAX chart, I mean, AVAX is nearly here at the golden ratio. We talk about $7 here. So just be aware of that as well. NEAR is one of the coins that overall, I don't like. I mean, no, I shouldn't say that. I don't like the coin. I don't like the larger degree wave count because it's not clearly bullish. However, I specifically recommend. Well, I shouldn't say recommended. I don't tell you to buy, but I highlighted NEAR as potential a couple of months ago when we were just breaking out down here, because we saw it break out of the BTC chart as well, indicating performance on multiple levels, outperformance of Bitcoin and obviously USD going up in USD price. And we had specifically at the time a member live stream about identifying coins that could rally next. And NEAR was one of them. And I specifically highlighted in that live stream that it might be worth looking at coins that are not only breaking out of the USD chart, but also breaking out of the BTC chart. And NEAR was one of them. So you see what it leads to or can lead to. But generally, the whole market is currently altcoin friendly, you could say. We start to see altcoin dominance go up, Bitcoin dominance go down, but we haven't broken really below the key trend line on the Bitcoin dominance chart. So that's what I'm observing as well. But yeah, looking good for altcoins. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.